keeping everybody safe. That's the bottom line. And restoring service in a safe and reliable way.
You know, on a daily basis, not everybody here is looked at like a hero, but when a major storm hits and you see these trucks roll out of here and go through the communities, it's like smiles. It's just smiles across everybody's faces when the trucks come out and the power's out.
I think sometimes the best part is whenever you, when you show up and you know a customer's been out of power, especially like little kids. Like, I have 2 kids of my own, so when you show up and like they're out of power and then you get them back, you know, that's a great feeling.
There's a lot of satisfaction when a customer comes out during a storm and you get them back on and they come out and tell you thank you.
I take pride in knowing that those people are at home or at work or at the school are relying on us to get things back to normal for them.
It takes dedication and wanting to help people is what it takes. And the dedication that these employees and the staff here put out to help the citizens of the communities that we serve is just unrenowned. It's impressive.
I think the true recognition is with the frontline worker. The folks that came in and sacrificed countless hours away from their family, worked through the horrible weather that we were given, and really just dedicated themselves to getting a job done and getting the job done safely. And I think they absolutely deserve and earned this award.